Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this Jayco at J-Flight 174 bunkhouse unit. Great little starter unit for the young family. Really nice. Window up front here, this pops open. You got a nice window up front. So nice storage here on the underneath your bed. That's a huge storage area for such a small little trailer. And then out here, of course, we got the power awning with the speakers. Really nice little unit. Bigger tires on these. This one is a Baja edition, so it's got a better ground clearance. So if you're a logger or going off-road doing some camping, this is a great unit for you. Let's take a look inside. As you walk inside, you notice your nice little bed area. Nice little dinette set. Comfy for two people. And this one also has decent counter space, small little fridge. It's got two bunk beds in there as well. As you go into the back to the bathroom, there's a nice tub shower, toilet. It's got a nice AC unit all in it. It's essentially got you covered if you're a logger or just a young couple that wants to get a nice little unit to go camping in. This is a great little unit. Also has a little radio there you can Bluetooth to as well for the speakers and listen to on your phone. It's a great little unit. If you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. I'll be happy to help you. Thanks.